Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. I'll cover how to show and hide tools you may not even know exist, and then some tips on how to use them as well. So let's jump into Bluebeam here. And so what you're seeing here is the Bluebeam interface. Obviously, I have turned off in my profile all of the tools and all of that just so we can focus on the panels over here. So in Bluebeam Revu, you'll notice on the side, depending on which profile you're in, I am in the Revu Advanced, but I've modified my profile for this presentation, turned a bunch of stuff off, and actually put all of my tools panels on the left side here. When you open Bluebeam, you might see some of these tools on the left. You might see them over here on the right. Some of them you'll even see across the bottom. So for now, I stacked them all here. We're going to go through each one and show you what they're for, what they do, and then you can see here all the ones with the blue highlighted in blue. That means that they're turned on. So you can turn those on. If there's any of these that you don't use, you can also right click and just click on hide, and it will turn that one off. Let's dive in and show you what these are all about. Next one down looks like a little 3D building with a door on it. That is our studio. This is the cloud portion of Bluebeam Revu, and there's two tabs across the top here. This will look a little bit different than yours. If you're not already using Studio, it'll ask you to sign in. I'm already signed in. This first tab is our projects. Studio projects are basically you can upload any file type, any file size, any number of files, and you can invite as many people as you want. There are limits, but they're so huge that I've stopped keeping track. But basically, the Studio project replaced all of my FTP sites and passwords, all of my box accounts. I don't worry about the size of documents that I'm emailing or the number of documents. I can store or transfer any type of document I want in a Studio project and send an invite to anybody I want that has a Bluebeam Studio account, which is free. So here you can see all of my different projects in here that contain drawing files, PDFs, Excel, Word, all sorts of different files that you can save up here. Next one here looks like a little whiteboard. That is our Studio Sessions. This one is PDFs only, and you can upload as many PDFs as you want and invite up to 500 people to mark up the exact same PDF at the same time. So I could literally have all of us in this webinar look at the same sheet, the same document, and as fast as you're doing your markups, I would see them pop up on my screen. And we'd be able to jump on a phone call and collaborate on whatever markups we're doing simultaneously. So great tool for collaboration. Studio has been a life changer for a lot of companies as we transitioned into COVID and working remote, working from home. The use of Studio and the cloud services just skyrocketed after that, and people are loving it. So again, that is our Studio Sessions and projects. Thanks for joining us. I hope you guys took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's tool panels. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.